guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Audrey here, like we had in the last video, and today we're going to be making slime.
Let me see my 2 bottles. Ow!
Are you okay?
Yes.
So what you're gonna need for
We're making 2 kinds of
slime, you're gonna need a bottle of glue, shaving cream, laundry detergent, and a stick or a spoon to mix with.
And of course, something to mix it on.
Yeah. So let's go. Ours might turn into a fail.
We just never know. I wouldn't add a lot though,
It usually does.
just in case. Let's go.
I'm gonna save mine because I'm gonna make a lot of slime. Okay. Do you have food coloring?
And we have paint.
Huh?
Got paint.
Okay. Wait, paint will make it watery. Yeah. That'll mess it up. I thought it did.
It just depends what kind of paint. Oh, alright, go.
Huh? I want to use blue.
I want to use purple. This looks like a. Oh, this is gold. Gross gold.
Oh, there's barely any blue, but I can still use it.
Because we don't really need all of that. Can you open this?
Just do this.
I can't.
Okay. Mix up the blue.
It's a lot of paint.
I need something to wipe her. There.
Hold my little starting stick still.
Okay. We're gonna make like 4 videos because we have like
So much fun.
yeah, so of different slimes, so we still have to wash the plates.
And the next one we'll make like not butter. We're gonna make like butter slime, but not with clay. We're gonna use hand soap and lotion.
I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to mess up my slime. That looks cool. Okay, now we're gonna add
Shaving cream.
shaving cream. So we have a shaving cream right here.
That one smells good.
We're not out, right? This is a lot.
I'll shake it. It smells good.
I don't think this is working.
That's the gain.
Okay. No. I want to pour my own.
Okay. Oh shoot.
Thank you.
It works.
You never know. Do you have a towel with you?
Yeah, it's working. We'll find one. It's not that much.
Look at it, guys. It's forming. Yes, finally. After like 37,000 years. I'm just kidding.
Oh, they have to like both feel full. I just had more glue when it gets like that.
I'm adding some more of this because Oh.
Look at mine.
Mine's coming together.
Look at mine. Mine feels so good.
I think it's time to play. To knead it.
Oh, mine feels good.
It's so gooey and sticky.
It's perfect.
Oh, mine is getting there.
Mine is
Feel it.
basically already there.
I need all of it. Give me all of it. Uh-oh. Mine's getting sticky now.
Look at mine.
This is mine.
There's like a baby blue.
It feels good.
Same. Mine's like a violet.
After, we're going to do like slime test. Like which one is stretchy and pokier or stuff like that.
Want to make the best bubbles.
Yeah. Oh no. Where is it? Okay.
Mine feels so good.
Mine is too.
Feel it.
Ooh. Oh, mine.
Whose feels better?
I think both. Okay. Now we're going to do the test.
No.
Yes. Alright. Ready?
Listen.
Okay. Ready? What are we going to put these in?
The best of baggies.
Oh. Okay, ready?
And sticking.
Let's go. How do you turn off the TV? Okay. We're just gonna have to hear very closely, so turn up your volume all the way for this part. Okay, that's hers.
Poke yours. Okay.
Wait, whose slime do you think is poking? Mine? Okay, your turn. Okay, comment down below. Poking, and then put one of our names. You're gonna put I if I won, or if A for if Audrey won. So put P and then put I wins or A wins. Okay. Okay, comments or people. Now we're gonna do the stretching test. Okay, you go first. Okay, yours is pretty long. Okay.
Really long.
Okay, mine. Mine's little, so mine's long. Okay, now we're gonna do comment down. Put S and then I or A.
Oh,
Now we're gonna do the slime swirl. Okay, I lost. I knew it. Yes. I'm not good at. Okay, no, never mind. We're not gonna do this for. Oh, okay, yeah, we are. Okay. Audrey won. Okay. Let's do the
your little swirl.
bubble.
Oh, I suck at bubbles.
Wait, that wasn't the bubble.
And after this, we'll do crunching.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Okay.
It doesn't really crunch.
Okay, let's do the crunch one. This is mine.
Okay.
Comment down below which one.
I don't know, do mine.
Oh.
No question, a guy who played his entire career as a member of the Boston Bruins, and coming up next,
Why is it?
My slime.
a closer look at the Stanley Cup champion Patrice Bergeron, as the longtime Bruin is one game away from a major milestone.
Don't cheat. Okay. Now we're gonna do a second video, so bye.